little ones, I am Jennifer ma'am. In the earlier sessions, you all have learnt the digraphs AI and EE. So we shall revise the AI and EE words once again. AI words. Train, train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Rain, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Hair, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. Chair, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Stairs. S-T-A-I-R-S, stairs. Now the EE words. B-E-B. B-E-E-B. Feet, feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Jeep, jeep. J-E-E-P, jeep. Peep, P-E-E-P, peep. Sheep, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Today, we shall learn about consonant blends. A consonant blend is when two or more sounds blend together, but each sound may be heard in the blend, like in the letters B and L. B, L. Together we get blur. Blur. Children, please repeat after me. Blur. Blur. So today we are going to learn about BL words. BL words. Now children, I will show you some words with pictures that will help you to understand the BL words better. What color do you see in the box on the screen? It is black. Black, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. You all must have seen a crow. What is the color of the crow? It is black. So, black is a color and is also the opposite of white. Children, what happens when you injure or hurt yourself with a sharp object? You bleed. So now you can see the picture of blood coming out, which is bleed. Bleed, bleed. B-L-E-E-D, bleed. When you shut and open your eyes repeatedly, it means you blink. So, here is a picture of blink. Blink. B-L-I-N-K, blink. We can even make the light blink by pressing the switch on and off repeatedly. What color do you see in the box on the screen? We can see blue color. Blue, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. On a clear day, the sky is generally blue. In this picture, the boy is releasing air from his mouth. How do you release air from your mouth? You blow. Blow, blow. B-L-O-W, blow. Children, on your birthday, what do you do to the candles that are lit on your birthday cake? You blow the candles out. You blow air into the balloon. Now that you are familiar with the BL words, let us write it. Children, please open your English notebook. We will now begin with writing the date in the margin. So we will write today's date 1-3-13-7-20. Now we will leave 2 finger space and write the title BL words on the same line outside the margin. 2 finger space, B L. 1 finger space, W O R D S. Words. BL words. I will now draw 3 lines. The first line, the second line, the third line. Now I hope your lines are drawn. So, are you ready? Children, please make sure you write along with me. We will start writing the BL words. The first word, close to the margin, black. Start from the red line, you come down to the blue line, you go up and curve blue line to blue line, B. From the red line, you come down to the blue line, L. Curve around, up and down, blue line to blue line, A. Curve, blue line to blue line, C. From the red line, you come down to the blue line. From the blue line, slant in, slant out, K. B-L-A-C-K, black. Black is a color and also the opposite of white. The next word, bleed. Start from the red line, come straight down to the blue line, you go up and you curve blue line to blue line, B. From the red line, you come down to the blue line, L. Blue line to blue line, E. Blue line to blue line, E. E. From the red line, you come down, you go up and you curve blue line to blue line, D. B-L-E-E-D, bleed. When you injure or hurt yourself, you bleed. Children, are you writing? The next word, blink, blink. B-L-I-N-K, blink. From the red line, you come down, you go up and you curve blue line to blue line, B. From the red line, you come straight down to the blue line, L. Blue line to blue line and a dot, I. Blue line, you come down, you go up, curve, and you come down to the blue line, N. From the red line, you come down to the blue line, you slant in and out, K. B-L-I-N-K, blink. Children, when writing the words, please remember not to leave any space between the letters. Blink. When you open and shut your eyes repeatedly, it means you blink. The next word, blur, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. You start from the red line, you come down to the blue line, you go up and curve, B. From the red line, you come down to the blue line, L. Blue line, you come down, you curve and you go up and come down, U. Blue line to blue line, E. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue is a color. The last word, blur, blow. From the red line, you come down, you go up and you curve, blue line to blue line, B. From the red line, you come down to the blue line, L. Blue line to blue line, O. Blue line to blue line, you go up, come down and again you go up, W. B-L-O-W, blow. When you release air from the mouth, you blow. So children, let us revise the BL words once again. Black, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Bleed. B-L-E-E-D, bleed. Blink. B-L-I-N-K, blink. Blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Blow. B-L-O-W, blow. Children, do read each word twice and write the same BL words in the remaining 3 columns. So children, now I am sure you all have understood the BL words. Tomorrow we will be doing an activity related to BL words. In order to enjoy the activity, it will be nice if you revise all the BL words that we learned today. Bye and see you tomorrow.